It is delivery day. I got some packages. We'll open them up. If you want to know what I got, I'll put the links down below. And subscribe to my channel if you like this. I'll have much more, and thank you very much. The 2020 aluminum stock. So none of these have been opened, so this is how they came. And they stapled them, so awesome. And they triple wrapped them with, geez God, look at this. Best service ever. Well, shouldn't have shown you my address, but whatever. Jeez, God, oh. Gotta say, best packing job I've ever seen. Oh my God. Let's see, buy more of our stuff. OMG. CNC stuff. Well, at least I got the order right. All individually wrapped. Oh my God, look at that. Oh, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So, I thought this stuff would be like flimsy, but no. Fuck, they know how to, package shit. And my favorite test of all, let's see if they all line up. Well, shit. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ooh, Amazon. This time I won't show you my address. A teeny tiny little fan. Eat. Sweet. My stepper motor brackets. Damn, those are heavy. Flex a little bit, but good enough. And they came with them teeny tiny screws. Yeah, I'm gonna change that. A package that literally looked like it's been through hell. Thanks, USPS. Time to cut into this. Holy shit, it is my filament. Check this out. Can you say carbon fiber? Sweet. Well, okay, so it did come in a plastic bag, but they are out. So I told them to hold one. They used it for, I guess, some photo purposes. So they gave me an awesome discount. So I'm not complaining. It's ABS. Who cares about moisture? All right, next we got a package. Dude, it came from Cleveland. Dude, that's kind of awesome. Oh, so my little channel thingies, let's see if they fit. I'm gonna be so pissed if they aren't. I got 100 of these little tiny things, and oh, they fit. Check that out. They fit perfectly. So, if everyone was thinking why I just didn't get the standard T stuff, because for some odd reason, this isn't your usual 2020, because it's supposed to have a gap of 6 point something millimeters. This has a, actually, let's check. Get out the handy dandy caliper. Now let's go back to millimeters. Yeah. As I thought. 5.25. Yeah, so it's not gonna fit. Well, shit, that's all my packages for today. Bye.